Welcome back to our weekly chat session regarding Microsoft and Microsoft Office. In the past, I focused a lot on upgrading and why you should upgrading to the latest version. Now, over the weekend, I had a training client who only has got Office 2016 on her machine, and it's very frustrating if they do not have the latest version, because there's about 60 new formulas available in Office 365, the subscription version, or Office 2021. It's up to you which one you decide to upgrade to, but please make an effort and do so you have access to all these amazing formulas. If you like this weekly chat sessions and my channel, please press the subscribe button and also press the bell button so you receive notifications when I upload new videos to my channel. I'm very excited to inform you that I have checked my Microsoft Excel and I do now have the Lambda function in Excel. I can't wait to try it out, and I will let you know soon. At the end of this video, in the right top hand corner, please press the link to my latest video where I will discuss the error messages you find in Microsoft Excel and how to solve them or hide them so they do not show up in your spreadsheets. Chat soon.